guys, these are pig hunting dogs. But today, in this video, it's a dog's race. Enjoy watching in slow motion now. Basically, they have an artificial hair that is controlled by them. The operator adjusts the speed of the hair according to the speed of dogs. These are special dogs. The speed of the dog is noted every time. At the end of the race of all dogs, the first 3 winners are announced. An insane reward has been given to the winners, like car, bikes, etc. Now, please subscribe to my channel. Many thanks and God bless you. Bye bye.